best part about 3D printing technology is that it doesn't matter if it's medical, it doesn't matter if it's culinary, it doesn't matter if it's agriculture. There is a 3D printing application and innovation waiting to happen.
This is a shark.
It's not about the 3D printer. It's about the opportunities for creative thinking and problem solving. It's about the opportunities to inspire creativity, to inspire innovation, to inspire just taking something and building it out of nothing.
We designed the entire curriculum based on desktop 3D printer technology that is extremely affordable and can be scaled. We didn't want teachers from different regions and rural regions and underserved regions having to afford subscription services or do anything that is an extra cost.
It has been a collaboration of two entities, Somerset Community College, AdvanceKentucky through Kentucky Science and Technology Corporation, that had unique strengths. He had the equipment, he had the curriculum development. As part of the Kentucky Science and Technology Corporation, I have access to a database of K-12 educators.
So let's teach it with something that we can actually put in every single school, no matter their economic status.
I go through, add the details like it's different nubs. And
they can take that into whatever field that they choose, whether it's computer science, whether it's engineering, art, or media. You can just take that creative being that you are and just make something out of it, whatever that you want it to be.
And the sooner we start scaling into schools and getting this into the hands of the students, the more fruit from that innovation we're going to reap, and the earlier. It's only going to get better.